honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to make some air-fried lemon pepper wings. And I made up my own batch of lemon pepper seasoning mix. Where I put it. So it looks like this. It's good, yeah. So there'll be naked wings with this on there. And of course, I'm going to put my mustard on there first. So I just got through drying, washing, cutting, and drying off my wings. And I like to cook my wings from room temperature. They seem to do better than just bring them straight out the refrigerator. Make them as dry as possible. Sop up any water that's in the bottom of the bowl so they're nice and dry. Okay. Bring it over here. I'm just using regular yellow mustard. Put my glove on. So I can put this mustard and the seasoning on here and smush it all together. So meanwhile, I'm going to be preheating my Cosori 5.8 quart air fryer. Here it is, right there. Preheat. Okay. Nice dollop of mustard. It's a bunch of wings, so I'm not cooking all these wings. Shake this up again. Homemade lemon pepper blend. I can control the salt in here. Okay. Oh, I smell that lemon. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I will be, I don't think I have to spray these with oil since they're naked wings. Even though they got seasoning on them, I'm not going to spray them with oil. Got to coat each and every piece with the mustard. And the mustard helps add another layer of flavor to the chicken. Plus, it has vinegar in it. And vinegar tenderizes. And turmeric is in it. Turmeric is good for you. And the chicken will not taste like mustard at all. Believe me. Okay, I'm going to add some more mustard. That wasn't enough. That's good. Seasoning. There's a lot of seasonings and herbs and spices in here, but not a lot of salt. going to marinate your meat with mustard. You can get the cheapest mustard you can find. Don't waste your money. You know, don't splurge buying the gourmet mustard. Because, like I said, you're not going to taste the mustard. Does for meats. I put it on ribs, I put it on pork chops, I put it on fish. Okay. That's good. Okay. I'm ready to put this chicken in here now. I'm going to cut this off. Y'all see what I'm doing? Turn it off. From preheating, pushing it back. I got it sitting on a rolling countertop tray. I'll put the link for that in my description box. Put my wings in here. Y'all hear that sizzle? Okay, that's 5 complete wings. That's 10 pieces. That's 6 complete wings, 12 pieces. Thirteen, 14. So there's 7 complete wings. So I'm going to put this in a bag and vacuum seal it. Okay. I can take off this glove. I'm not going to spray it. Let's see what we're doing. I'm going to set it for 400 degrees. Right here. For 22 minutes. So those are some huge wings. Okay, start. And I don't plan on flipping them. And I expect my wings to be nice and crispy, even though there's no breading on them. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, figured y'all want to see me vacuum seal the rest of this chicken. I put it in my big vacuum seal bag. It's the big one, biggest gallon. Vacuum seal them all at one time. I usually portion them out. Press out as much air as possible and distribute the wings so they'll be flat. I have to put the open end of the bag down in this other air fryer in my way. I have another vacuum sealer. This one here is the ACOC. I have another one called the Sun Life. And this one was handy, so that's why I'm using it right now. They both work good. Okay, I want y'all to see. The open end of this bag is down in this chamber here. I'm going to push the air out. lock both sides. So you hear the snap, and I'll press the button that says vacuum and seal. Y'all cannot see, but it's there. You see it pulling the bag. The light is still flashing, so it's not done. It's through vacuuming it. Now it's sealing. And my air fryer is going. Okay, it's done. There's the double seal. And it's not a tight vacuum. But I'm gonna freeze this. Today is Christmas Eve, and we're gonna have ribs for Christmas. I'm gonna freeze this. And so when I get ready to cook it, it's already washed and seasoned and marinated. That's what I like doing my meat. And this is a big batch. Okay, I just thought y'all want to see that. Okay, y'all. I had to turn my wings over. I usually don't have to. I didn't want the underside of it to be white. So it's on 1 minute. So it's done now. Yes. That's how it looks. We'll put them on this platter. So these smell delicious. These are lemon pepper naked wings. Let's see. No, you can't see nothing I'm doing. So depending on how these wings taste, I'll be marketing my lemon pepper seasoning soon. Okay. Let me show y'all to clean up this basket. Not bad at all. And look at all that grease swimming down in here. And I didn't put any oil. The skin mixes its own grease. Now if it's breaded, then you're going to have to add oil. Here are my lemon pepper wings. If y'all want to see me try one, I hope it's like I expect it to be, so I can stop working on the recipe. It's hot. Ooh, crispy. These are naked wings, y'all. It's hot. Wow. I taste the lemon flavor in here. I Taste the lemon and the pepper. Mmm. 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 This recipe is a winner. Mmm. It is so good, y'all. Mmm. Okay. My lemon pepper seasoning blend. Because there's other stuff in here too. I want to thank you for watching. I want you to give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And Merry Christmas Eve. Okay. You all be blessed.